Because your mom was like, how quickly? I'm like, how quickly you need it, you know?
There's like multiple sessions.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Is it like a diving competition or what?
Just swimming, just racing.
Racing? Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, if you want to check out my channel, it's Slang and Key. Yeah. Oh, tell your mom I'm here if she wants to tell me.
Okay.
All right. Did I go the wrong way? Hold on. One more time. Cool. Yeah. Are the keys in the trunk?
Yeah.
You may have to go this way. Seats go down? It's a newer one, huh? How do you put the seats on? Any idea?
Watch out. You usually get in the car. Well, it stopped. That's good.
Well, it's only stopping because we have the doors open. The button's not working?
Well, because like I know in my car there's like a thing in the center for like you can put golf clubs through it or whatever, and then you could just reach through there. But
Yeah. This is amazing. It's okay. Let me try to pick that lock again. What year is it?
2021.
Alright, let's pick this one again.
there's a little bug right here. Can you tell the guy?
What do you got?
There's an emergency phone access button.
There is?
Yeah, but you need a tool for it.
Was there a key?
Use key or suitable tool to slide and recess lever in direction of arrow.
Okay, hold on. Let me just see if the alarm will turn off if I...
Oh no, I got it. I got it on my finger.
Seats went down?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, nice. I'm curious, though, if this will turn off the alarm as well. Oh, wait, too quick. Yeah, it's still going off. All right. What? There you go. Okay, where was that release?
Right here.
Oh, right here. Cool. Learn something new every day.
Yeah.
I was trying to sell her a door key for nothing, and she didn't want to buy it. But then when she found out it's nothing, she'll take two, right? All right.
Not a bunch over here.
This way you can keep it like in. It's a very thin key. You can keep it like in a wallet or something.
That's one.
Yeah. All right, let's copy this key real quick. She has a spare. Kind of set it on there good. Let me just try to make sure it works. It's a good hiding key.
Perfect.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
No
and
problem.
then my mom paid you.
She did? Good.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Got it.
Thank
Have a
you
nice
so
day,
much.
guys. Yep. Thanks.